Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Can you just unmute yourself and tell me if I'm audible to you guys, or write it in the chat box? Be a little responsive, guys. Yes. Thank you so much. So, in today's session, we are going to brief you all about what cloud jams are, how do you solve the labs, what exactly is all of the syllabus. And I have here Aditya with me. He is going to show you guys how to solve these labs and claim all the badges. Many of you guys are facing issues while solving and not understanding how to do it. So we are going to teach you guys from the scratch and solve in front of you some of the batches, as in like to give you all example for how to solve it. So, talking about the Google Cloud Jams, these are hands on learning competitions which are organized by Google Cloud in each and every college of Pune where Google Developer Groups is placed. So, these help students and developers to learn cloud technologies by actually using them. So Cloud Jams focuses on like all the labs. It consists of different types of labs which focuses on different types of domains such as cloud computing. There is machine learning, there is Kubernetes and AI. So there is a lot of things which you learn in these batch. So I would like to just brief you all about. Yes, thank you so much, Swarnam. So I would like to brief you all about the syllabus which we have. So these are all the 19 skill batches which you all have to complete. So starting from the basics of cloud computing, the cloud storage, PubSub, API gateway, these all labs you have to complete. So in today's session, we are going to brief you all about 2 to 3 of these labs. So the first one, we will show you how to do the basic of Google Cloud Compute. We will solve all the labs present in this one lab and also the challenge lab, so you would understand how the badges are earned. Secondly, we would also solve the second badge, that is cloud storage, and the 18th badge which is actually quite difficult. Like we have got the feedback that it is difficult, so we will help you guys to solve these labs. I would suggest to open your Google Cloud Skill Boosts with like along with us. Try to solve it so that in this meeting itself you will be able to achieve or claim those badges. So along with these 19 badges, there is also the Gen AI arcade game level 3, which you can access through your enrollment email. This is an important part, and it has a deadline of 31st October, so try to solve it. It is also like it is solvable in one day itself. You can do it in a day, you can solve it in a day, and it is very easy, to be honest. So these are all the 19 badges and including the last Gen AI game, so it makes 20 of this. So you have to solve all the 20. So I will share my screen and I will show you how to claim the credits, how the dashboard looks like, so you would be able to understand. Till now, does anybody have any doubt? You can ask in the chat box or you can unmute yourselves and ask it.
Guys, it's totally an interactive session. You can ask your doubts, and also if you have any queries like slightest or any small query as well, you can just ask anything in the chat box, or you can just unmute and ask. So we'll just solve everything side by side. Like you should not feel left behind. So just be with us and follow the steps.
Yes. So this is how your Google Cloud Skills Boost dashboard looks like. So if you want to search anything, you can go over here, type the name of the lab or the domain, and you can search whatever you want. So this is your profile. these are the credit points. Now I haven't claimed any credit points yet. I will show you how to do it from the scratch, but this is basically how it looks like. The achievements and the progress all is shown over here. So the labs which you have completed and the badges which you have earned, these all would be mentioned in the achievements and the progress section. So all the labs, courses, and everything, also the game, would be shown over here. So this is the basic dashboard which you want. So now I hope every one of you have received this enrollment email. If you haven't received any email now, so please contact us, and we would look into it. So this is the enrollment email which I hope every one of you have been gotten. So when you scroll down, you can see this box. This is the access code which you need to use, and you have to open this link in incognito mode. So I will show you right now. You just have to click on the redemption link, right click, and open in incognito mode. So after opening this, you can see it is asking for your code, right? So again, go back to that email, copy this code, right click, copy, go back to your incognito window and paste it. So once you submit, you have to sign in this page only. Otherwise, the 9 credits which you are been given does not see in your profile. You won't be able to see it in your profile. Just a minute. So once you're logged into this page, after a while, you can see that 9 credit points are credited in your account. So it is okay if you close this window and go into your normal dashboard. I'll just refresh it, and you would be able to see the 9 credit points. After this 9 credit points, you have to solve one lab, any of the labs present in these 19 labs. So if you start the first lab, you would automatically gain 400 credits, which means in the end you have 409 credits to solve all these labs. Some of the people were asking doubts that what if we run out of credit points, can we resolve the labs? So you have enough credit points to resolve each and every lab, so you don't have to worry about it. Credit points are given to you. So I would like to hand over to Aditya to continue, and he will show you guys how to solve these labs.
So hello everyone. I just show you my screen. So one second. So yes, we start with the first lab. So you can open lab in background to credit along with side me. One second. So I just log into the account.
Those who have not solved these labs, start solving along with Aditya.
So you just have to click here. This is the lab. You can see the overview here. So we just start with the first lab. So you can just start lab, or you can say me in tell me in the chat.
So yes, we just start with the lab. Click on Start Lab. Click I'm not robot. So you have to use your credit points. So here nine credit points are shown. So I just click on Launch with Credit. You will something look like this. Then you just have to right click here and open in incognito window. So till then you can what it says. You can directly go to the task one. So you have to open the console and then go to navigation menu and you just have to create an instance. So I tell you how to create instance. So you can just copy VM instance from here. Go to the your tab, incognito tab. Just click on I understand. Wait some time. Just click on I agree. Agree and continue. Then you can just go here to the search bar and you can just search here VMware and you will get the VM instance here. So after this, you just have to click here to create a new instance. You can click on it and just now go to your instructions. So it says you have to create a one instance, which is this configuration. So we just start with the one by one. So you have to create with this name, this lab. You can copy this name and just go to the tab. So your name is asked. So paste this name here. Make sure you don't copy any white spaces or anything. Just go to the instructions again. So it says your region is US Central 1. So you just have to select here the region, US Central 1, and your zone. It says your Central 1 Zone C. So you have to select the zone from here. So I just click on zone C. Then you can go to the configuration. So it says the machine series is E2. So select the E2. You can select from here series. So again, we go to the instructions. It says machine type is E2 medium. So go to the machine type. You can see here it already selected. So leave as it is. Then go to the storage. So storage section is on left side. So you can click here and go to the storage. Then select these operating systems. Like here, I have to select a Debian with the Linux 12. Then size is 10 GB and disk type is balanced persistent disk. So we have to select this. So you can click on change. You can select here Debian. We have selected Debian already. It is already selected. So we just have to click here and it is 10 GB already. So click on select and go to the instructions again. So it says now you have to go to the network ping and allow HTTP traffic. So we just go to the networking from here. Click on allow HTTP traffic. Now you just have to scroll down here and just create. Click on create. Wait for some time. So till then you can tell me did you complete these steps? You can you can tell us by typing in chat box or you can tell by unmuting yourself. If you have any issue you can ask directly in chat box also. Very good, very good. So I'll just come back here. So now your lab is completed. So once refresh it, so it says completed. You can see here the green tick. So now come back to the page and click on check progress. Once I'll just click on here and check the progress. So you can till then copy this thing to the task 2. So we have to install Infinix server. So to install this server, you have to open, you have to come again here, click on active cloud shell. Just click here. It will take some time. Click on continue. Click on authorize. So first, what you have to do, just scroll up here at the scenario, and you have to copy your zone. So you can see here, your zone is mentioned. Just you can say zone. So you have listed your zone here. So copy this to set your zone. Just paste here. Then again go back to the page, create zone. You just have to copy and paste in the terminal. Copy, paste, and hit the enter. Now our zone is selected. So go to here, copy this to create a server. First of all, you have to update your terminal. So it will take some time. It's depend on your internet speed also. Then scroll down, copy this second command. You can see here. Just paste here. So what it does, it downloads some dependencies what needed to the lab and install it. So now our machine is installed. So we can just copy this and paste here to run the machine. And click on check my progress. It will take some time sometimes. So wait for some time. So I just refresh my page. Till then we can solve next steps. Go to the task 3. Copy this. Paste it over here. So your task 3 is completed. You can see here also clicking. Yes, you have to click here. It will show your progress. So we might be miss some steps. We just scroll through it. Steps. So install. So it has some problems. So we can do one thing. You just have to go here at the instance, refresh it again, and open this. Just click on SSH, authorize this terminal. Go to the instructions and copy these instructions and paste in the terminal. Just click on check my progress. It will take some time. So you can see here, this lab is completed. You can verify this by showing here just 100 by 100. So you can now just end this lab. Click on cancel. You can close these terminals, and immediately you can see here you just got some points here. So now we can do one thing, just refresh it. So now you can see here you have completed just one lab. So can you tell me just how many of you completed? You can just type in chat box, or you can just react here from thumbs up react if you just completed the lab. So we just move on to the next lab. So just you have to click here. So many of you thinking just we just completed a lab but we didn't get any badges. So for that we can do one thing, just do the challenge labs for the badges. So you can go here, the basics of cloud computer challenge lab. Click here and you can just start doing challenge lab. Click on start. So before that, I want to tell you something. Like we did some one lab which was completely manual. So you can do what, you can just copy paste and you can just complete some labs. So from here, we just I just share you some links. Just wait. So you can access this sheet for the solutions, or we just do one lab manually. One second. Just okay. So we can do one thing. Just come here, click on Start Lab. Now you can see here, you just earn 400 credits by completing one lab. So you can verify that your lab is completed and now you got the credits also. So do one thing, just right click, open in incognito. Click on I understand. And now you can just read the instructions from here. So it says you have to first set up this region, and now we just move on to the task one. So task number one says you have to create a bucket, cloud storage bucket. So just go to our terminal, click on I agree. Now you can just search for bucket. So there's an option called cloud bucket. Click on that. So did you find the option? If you are at the same stage, you can just thumbs up. So click on create bucket. Just copy this name. It says the create a bucket by name, this name. You have to copy this. Make sure this name is correct. So I just copy it and paste here. Click on continue. So your instruction says your region is US multi-region. You can see here. So we just have to select US multiple region. Yeah, it is selected. Wait for some times or refresh this page. And now you can see your bucket is created. So click on check my progress. Your task one is completed now. So we move on to the next task, that is create and attach a persistent disk to the computer engine. Just copy this. Search for instance. Click on VM instances. Click on create instances. And carefully just copy this name of your instance. It is my instance in my case. So just paste here. Select the region as mentioned in your lab. So you can search for zone again. So it's US West 1 and C is the zone. So it is selected. So you have to select the zone, which is C. Then we can go to the here and check the configuration of the machine. Series is E2, which is selected here. Then it says E2 medium is a machine type. So it is already selected. So you don't have to change anything. Now go to the disk. So go to the OS and storage from the left hand side menu and just confirm you just have selected all the options correctly. It says boot disk type is balance new persistent disk and boot size is 10 GB, image is Debian, and you have to allow the firewall rule. So we just come back here, check. It says disk type is new persistent, which is correct. Disk size is also correct. So we don't have to do anything here. We have to just click on networking and allow the HTTP as it says in the rules. So now we have to create persistent disk also and attach it to the machine. So copy this, the name of the disk, and go here on the OS and storage. So here is the option. You can see here it says add a new disk. So create a new disk. Just go here, press your name. You can get your name from the uh, your lab. So it says the size of a disk, it should be 200 GB. So we go here and here it says size. So type 200. Again, you have uh, created just disk. Just check once all your setting is correct and just click on save and create. So wait for some times. So did you complete it up till this step? I'm just seeing. Okay. So wait for some time. It taking a bit longer time. So it is obviously depend on internet speed. So yes, you can see here now disk is created. So go to your pages and just head on, click my progress. So your the screen tick means your progress is completed. So now you have to just install the web server. So here's how to go here again and click on this SSH. Before that, once refresh it, just click on SSH, click on authorize. So we have to install the machine. So for that, I just share you a link. So just access this. So you have to access this repository and just copy it from here. Copy these things and then came back on your page. On the terminal, you just have to paste it. So it will install the machine and install the server on this machine we just created. It will take some time. Wait for it. So after that, you can just click on check my progress and you will get a badge. So wait till process is completed 100%. Till then you can see here 60% tasks are completed. So till then we can do one thing. I just explain you about the this arcade labs. So come to the mail and just you just have to click on this link, copy this code. Make sure you didn't sign out with any other account before the pasting that code. Just one second. Just sign in with this. So you have to do what? You just have to complete this module. Like go here and you can just refresh. I have completed one module here, so I don't have to paste anything. So you have to paste this code once you have asked. Just copy this code and paste it. Don't subscribe, guys. Don't subscribe to the games. Just click. Now we just complete this lab. Just click here. Start the lab. You can just complete it within 2 minutes. So watch it carefully. Again, it needs something 6 minutes. So we just wait for that. Till then we can go here. Okay, so it says your server is running. So we can go to the instructions and click on check my progress. That says progress is completed. So now you can just click here and click on check my progress. Now your progress is 100% completed. So now you can just end this lab. Click on end the lab. Close these terminals. Click on cancel. And now you just refresh the page. Now you can see here our 2 lab is completed and you just on your first badge. You can see here. By the way, you can just go to your profile and click on setting, scroll, and you can just copy this link address and paste it. You can just see from here your badges. So went back to home. You can just claim these credits from here. So we'll look for arcade game. It says 3 minutes are remaining. So till then, you can tell me, did you completed this lab as well? And did you got the badge? Just you can thumbs up here, or you can type in the chat. So it has 2 minutes remaining. So we can do just other labs. Just close this tab. Now we just start with another lab, which is this lab. Get started with cloud storage. So now I just have told you how to create this by the manually. So now for this lab, we are going to use. So for this, we can just gonna solve this challenge lab. So you have to click here and just click on challenge lab. So we are gonna complete this lab with the help of some YouTube videos. If you're not, so I just have shared you the link, which is Excel sheet, and you just have to click on here and open the video. So if you stuck somewhere while completing the challenge lab, you can refer these links for the solutions. And now I think our lab is ready. Just wait for some time. After this lab, we are going to complete the one of the most popular, you can say one of the most popular lab. We just got too many feedbacks on that lab that people are struggling with that lab. So we are going to complete, which is the 18th lab, this one. So now our lab is ready. So what we have to do with this thing, just have to start this lab, arcade chatbot. Just copy this thing, paste here, open in new tab and paste that URL. And you just have to click on, 1 second, I just remove this, click on quiz, and it is a questions asked. So if someone knows the answer, you can click the correct option, or you can just do this till the correct find correct option. So answer is this, you just have to click here. So answer is this. So you have to click here and done. You just completed your arcade lab. So it is that easy. So we just scroll down and you just have to click on check my progress. Wait for some times. So it'll take 2 minutes. So we just wait for 2 minutes. So you can see here. So wait for time. Now you just completed your assessment. It says assessment completed. So now you can just end this lab, end the lab. And just like that, you have to complete your all arcade labs games. It just 2 minutes. It takes just 2 minutes. So you just close this, and went on our Cloud Gems lab. So how to complete these labs? So you just have to start the lab, click on I'm not robot, fill the caption, click on launch with 1 credit, just right click and open in incognito. You can just scroll down a bit and you will get your instructions. It says create a bucket with a colon storage. Okay, so we have to create a bucket with colon storage for this. So how to do this? So you can open this video from this link and go to the description of this video. So here is what we have to do. Just copy this command. You can just open your notepad or online notepad. Just search for notepad. And I'll just paste here. Then again, this instruction paste. Just copy and paste here. So now you just have to copy whole this thing. Just copy it. And you have to click on understand. Just click on I agree. Click on active cloud shell. So now our shell is ready. So what you have to do, just copy this thing. Just copy and paste here. So it says what's your form number. So go to the instructions and search for form. Just search for form. So it says form ID is form 1. So in my case here, form 1. So if you have form 2 or form 3, you can just type that number here. So I just click, just type 1. Now it is a very important thing. So look at carefully. So you have to scroll here in this section, left hand section. So you have to copy the bucket name. So it is a bucket number 1. So you have to copy this bucket number 1, paste here, and hit the enter. Just it says bucket number 2, copy, and just paste bucket number two's name. And again go to the instructions. Just copy the bucket number 3 and paste here. Now what it does, it will create buckets for you. So you have to create 3 buckets. You can just see here. Task number 1, you have to create a bucket. Task 2, create a bucket and attach the file, and you have to add a file to the bucket. So it will do that manually. So just wait for some times and click on here, check my progress. So your progress is 100% completed. So you just completed another challenge lab, and now you can just click on end. And if you got some errors while performing this, so you can do what? Just copy this. I can paste it in the chat box also. So you can do what? Just copy this thing again and paste it again in the this terminal if you got some errors. Otherwise, you can do this lab complete. So we just want on this page and the lab. Wait for a few seconds. Then go on, just refresh the page or go on your dashboard. Now you can see here you have completed 3 labs, which is 2 of 1. There are courses, and you can see here you have earned 2 badges. So like that, you have to perform all the labs. You can just solve challenge lab for that to earn the badges, or you can just complete all modules. So we just start with the another lab. So it is a very important lab. Some people said it is very hard to complete this, but I just show you how to complete this lab. So open this lab and just click on start challenge. So you have to do one thing. In this lab, you have to design some prompt and perform some operations on those prompts. So we just click on start the lab. Complete the captcha. Just right click, open in incognito. So we just go through the tasks. So it says you have to build a Gemini image analysis tool in task 1 with the help of Gemini 2.5 Flash model in the Vertex Studio. So we just first log in, click on I understand. Wait for some time. Just click on I agree and continue. So now you have to click on vertex AI and just click here on the vertex AI. Just click on vertex AI. So you will get here one option called Vertex AI Studio. So click on that. Just close this. So now went on your task one. It says you have to generate a so you have to build a image analysis tool. So what you have to do, just go to the here, click. Just you just have to click on this plus symbol. Just click on plus icon and import from cloud. Click on import from cloud, and then you have to click on this. Just double click and just click on this, the first option. Click on that and select. Click on OK. So you have to copy this prompt and save this with some name. Just copy this and say something like, I just type here, welcome to the lab, and hit the enter. So now you can go to the instructions, and as your instruction says, you have to use this module Gemini 2.5 Flash. So we just, and once we just see the zone, sorry, region. So you can see the region is US Central 1. So went on this page, click here and go to the Gemini, select the module. You have to select the model which is have been told in your this lab section. So search for it, select the model, select the region as well. Just to select the region, you just have to click here and select the model which is US Central 1. So region is selected now. So you have to change the name of this prompt. We just went from here, like you can find what is the name of the prompt. So in task one, it says you have to save your prompt with this name. So we just copy that name. Before that, we just had some prompt. Just write a prompt like explain this image in 20 words and hit the enter. After that, you have to say just save this prompt with the same name. Just click on this icon, selected the region, and just click on save. Auto save option is enabled. So just take care if not in your case. It needs some time, so we just wait for that. Like till then, you can tell me, are you on the same step? So it is saving. It requires some time. So we just wait for that. It is taking too much time. Like you can complete, just my network is slow. Yes, it is completed now. So you just have to do one thing. Just click, you can see here code button just beside the preview. So click on code button, copy, select here Python. If not, then copy this code. You just have to copy this code, this second line, and just paste in some notepad here. So we just use another notepad as well. So you can see here your first task is completed. So now went back on this page. Here, click on new chat. Go to the task 2. Just copy this prompt, paste this prompt here, and in the instruction section as well. Click on this plus icon, click on the example. So you just have to copy this input, copy as it is, and just paste here and in the input section. Just copy the output and paste it in output section, and just click on add examples. And here you just have to type, this is an example prompt. So you have to click just this is an example prompt, and select these modules. It is already selected, so no need to worry about it. So hit the enter. So wait for some times and just you can just return it. So now you can do just one thing, scroll down, just scroll down a bit, and you just have to copy this name from the seventh instruction. Copy this name and just save this prompt. with that name. Just you click anywhere. So your auto save is on, so you can just complete it. Now same, do this for this. Like just click on code, select the Python, and copy this code as well, and paste it in another notepad like this. So we do one thing like, now our task 2 is also completed. So we can just check the progress. So it says, yeah, task 2 is completed. Now we have to perform a task 3. So we have to build an analysis tool for that. So for that, we have to just create a workbench. So just went on this page, right click and open this page again. In search option, you just have to search workbench. Now click on workbench. So you will see some screen like this. You just have to click on open in Jupyter Lab. Is Here is the option. Just have to click on that. So now you have to just click on this tagline generator, select the Python module, and just scroll down, and you just copied this code. Just copy this, or you can just copy this code from here also. Just copy from the tagline analysis, from the tagline generator. You can just copy this code, copy, and you have to just paste here. Just paste this code, scroll down, sorry, scroll up, and just copy this thing also. And now you just have to replace this whole thing from the client to the bracket. Just paste here. Now you have to cut this thing location, and you have to insert your region. Here is the region, copy this region and insert it in double quote. Do this same as well for the project. Just go here and copy the project ID, come back and paste here, and just click on run all cells. So you can just see here, kernel is busy, wait till the idle. Now kernel is idle. So we did, so our taglines are generated, you can see here. So now went on the instructions page, and it is actually fourth. So go to the fourth task. It says, specifically request that the tagline include word nature. So we just type this, just scroll down a bit, go to the last at the prompt, and just type here, each tagline must include word in single quote nature. So after that, you just have to click on this run option. So now you can see here, each tagline have word nature. So we just have to click on File and save this notebook. Here, click on File and save notebook. And now you can go to the page and check your progress. Now your fourth task is completed. Come to the third task. Now you just have copied this. Go to the here on the Vertex AI section. Go to the chat product analysis. Click on continue. You can just copy this code from here. You can copy just code from here, or you can just copy from here where you have pasted this code in the notebook. So open the notebook, click on this first option, image analysis, select the Python 3, just scroll a bit, just paste here, went in this code, and you can just copy this line from your code and paste here as same you did in the last. So from the client till the this bracket, replace this thing and just click on run. So it has some issue, like we just copy the code from scratch, just copy this code and paste here again. Just copy this line and then replace this thing. You have to copy this line and replace this entire block with that line. So now you can just click on run. Wait till CPU is idle. Now CPU is idle. So you have to just scroll down from here and copy this thing from describe to the envelope and went on this page and replace the section where you have written explain this image in 20 words. So paste here and again run this. So wait till CPU is idle. Now CPU is idle. So you can just see the output here. Go again here and copy this bold character thing. Just copy this line and again go to your script and replace this. Run the script. Now you just have to click on file, save notebook. You can just click on Control S and you can save as well. So went on your page and now scroll down and click on check my progress. Now just we click on here to check the progress. So now our 100% it is completed. So now you can just go here and end this lab. Click on cancel. Now you can just go to the dashboard. Now you can see the 4 labs are completed and 3 courses are completed, and you just earn 3 badges as well. So in this way, you have to complete all the challenge labs. You can just complete all the challenge labs, or if you want to, you can complete all modules. Same as well, you have to complete the arcade